The gaming community is always searching for a mouse that is equipped with an accurate sensor and high DPI in order to respond quickly and effectively during your gameplay. I'm sure that one of the companies which first pops into your mind when someone talks about gaming peripherals is Razer. They have proven over the years that their peripherals, headphones or keyboards always look aggressive, like every gamer would like to see, while the quality is always their top priority. So, this time, we are going to make a detailed review of the DeathAdder Elite, which is an extremely responsive esports gaming mouse that shines with its design and capabilities. From a design perspective, the DeathAdder Elite measures 5 inches in length, 2.76 inches in width, 1.73 inches in height with an approximate weight of 0.23 pounds or 105 grams for those who prefer the metric system. The mouse is ergonomically contoured on both sides, with the intention to naturally fit the shape of your right hand, while on the bottom left there is a rubber side grip that is placed there to serve as a rest for your thumb. The only remark I have for the mouse is that it was not meant for left-handed people, so if you belong to this group of people you won't really like it, but for right-handed it is perfect. There are also two small programmable buttons which are placed below the scroll wheel on top of the mouse, and they work for custom actions such as back and forward. They are strategically placed and have the right distance from the grip for ensuring that you won't click on them accidentally. The mouse overall features a low profile that is composed of matte plastic surface that feels really soft and comfortable underneath your hand, while on the other side, thanks to its color switching capabilities, it will surely upgrade your gaming ambient. The left and the right click buttons feature grooves which will allow you to rest your fingers on one side, while on the other, it helps you respond quickly during your most dynamic and intense gaming moments. Razer claims that this model's mechanical switches are durable enough to last up to 50 million clicks, so that's fantastic indeed. The DeathAdder Elite is a really eye-catching mouse, since the scrolling wheel and the Razer logo are both illuminated, and you will be given an option to customize the lighting colors from more than 16.8 million colors by using the Razer Synapse configuration software. But we will talk more about the software soon. A really interesting thing about the scrolling wheel, except for the shining part, is that Razer made it a bit more of a tactile instead of an ordinary wheel, so thanks to its textured grip, you'll have a superb feedback. On the bottom of the mouse, there is a sensor with a DPI sensitivity that ranges from 100 to 16,000 DPI, making it a true beast. In addition, the two oversized Teflon feet are placed at the bottom part, or more precisely, above and below the optical sensor, and they will help you achieve a faster swipe rate when you have a mousepad placed underneath. But now, let's talk about the connectivities and the included software, which will help you make a variety of modifications for matching and finding your style. The DeathAdder Elite is not a wireless mouse, nor a wireless option, but usually the wired gaming mice perform better. Its gold-plated USB connector will boast a higher level of durability and a better contact since gold cannot oxidize, so from that perspective you'll be more secure, but nothing more than that. The cable that holds this gold-plated USB connector is made of a braided fiber and it's about 7 inches long, so that's more than enough length for having a distraction-free gaming time. You can take an advantage of the Synapse 2.0 and adjust the overall mouse based on your preferences, or to be more precise, you can adjust the RGB lightnings, calibrate the mouse to suit different surfaces, adjust the DPI, and much more. The software as a whole is really intuitive, and you won't deal with any orientation problems since every tab will inform you what it is about. There are 8 lighting modes such as the spectrum cycling, breathing, static, reactive, wave, starlight, ripple, fire, and each of them is unique. For example, the spectrum cycling mode will cycle through all colors and display each of them, while the breathing mode fades in and out 1 or 2 colors at most which you previously have chosen. In addition, the static, as the name says, will only choose one color and it will stay on that color, while the reactive mode is going to display all the LEDs upon mouse activation and it will stay lit in either short, medium or long mode before it finally fades away. From a performance and feature perspective, the DeathAdder Elite is incredibly accurate because it has a resolution accuracy of up to 99.4%, so you can easily eliminate all of your targets and be a serious player in any game you wish to play. The Elite's mechanical switches are extremely responsive, and you will love playing FPS games such as CSGO, PUBG, Overwatch and more, where a fast response time is a key for success. This model will be of a huge help if you're playing strategic games such as League of Legends, StarCraft and every series of Total War, where most of the time you'll have to use a mouse since the keyboard will only serve as a support for using the controls. Regardless of how long you've been gaming, there won't be any sign of fatigue due to the ergonomic design that will easily suit even those people that have big hands, while on the other side, it won't slip off your hand even if your hand is sweaty. I want to mention that the DeathAdder Elite features an ultra polling rate of up to 1000 Hz and the acceleration of 50G, where G stands for gravity and not grams, and those two things combined make it one of a kind and one of the best gaming mice in the market. For your information, the G acceleration means that regardless if you move the mouse at fast or slow speeds, it will always respond on screen with unreal accuracy. Overall, you should definitely take the DeathAdder Elite into consideration due to its incredible specs and its reasonable price. With this mouse, the chances of winning are always high because of its advanced optical sensor and its mechanical mouse switches, which will deliver an unreal responsiveness that translates into an amazing gaming experience. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about this mouse, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to it, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.